All right, so good evening on this Friday, February 8th, 2013. We are in the midst of what's going to be a major blizzard that's going to be happening anytime between now and 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. This is kind of a lull in the system, but the storm is going to pick up significantly in about a couple of hours, literally. Let me shut this GPS down. Okay, so yeah, a couple of hours literally, this storm is going to really start picking up here and dropping lots of snow. So this is just a preview of what's to come. There's sort of a lull in the system. We don't know if this is the eye of the storm or what this lull is, because it's really not bad right now. It's very windy right now. This is just a few snow showers just blowing around here, a couple of gusts here and there. People are trying to clean up a little bit, doing what they can, but it's really going to start picking up in a matter of minutes, they're saying. So this is basically it. This is Winter Storm Nemo, the blizzard of 2013. The Weather Channel calls this Winter Storm Nemo. I mean, no other in the Weather Channel is naming their storms, but this is a pretty bad. Not it's tolerable so far. This looks like about maybe 2 or 3 inches that has fallen around here. This is the South Shore of Long Island by Roosevelt, around that area, and it's not bad. It's just the roads are messy, but they're urging people not to travel unless you really have to. So no one's really traveling in this. So right now I'm driving towards home. I'm in Roosevelt right now. So the weather is not, it's manageable. We've seen worse than this. We've had worse storms than this in the past. So this is really not too bad. You just got to take it easy. If you don't really have to go out there, don't go out. But right now it's around 7:44 p.m. at 32 degrees exactly. So we're at freezing temperatures right now. So that's the temperatures that we're seeing over here. And that's really not bad at all. When I get home, I'll see how Baldwin is, but so far, so good. And that's basically the status for the South Shore of Long Island at around 7:45 p.m. Of course, it's still a problem to drive right now. My car is sliding whenever I press the gas. You got to press the gas very lightly. It's the only way to really drive safely out here. And of course, you have other drivers splash the snow in your car. So that's the other thing too. So good thing I have all season tires that's built to work on snow, rain, and wind. Thank goodness. So that kind of helps with traction somewhat. But overall, it's really dangerous out here. If you don't have to get out here, don't, because it's going to really be picking up a big time in the next couple of hours at around 12 a.m. specifically. That's when the blizzard really starts getting underway. But right now, so far, so good. This is sort of like a break, a reprieve, I should say, in the system, because they did say that it would be picking up as of right now, and so far this is not that bad. So this is good news. That will definitely lessen the amount of snowfall that we're supposed to be getting. They're saying anywhere between 12 to 24 inches can fall right over here in the next 12 hours. So that's what we're going to be seeing in the next couple of hours. So that's basically it. I'll do another update later tonight when the storm really starts picking up, if it even does pick up, because right now, so far, so good. This is this light snow that's falling right here with a bunch of wind. The winds are certainly picking up. Power outages, I don't think is much of a concern anymore at this point, because I think the gusts are what's expected to be in the excess of 60 miles per hour, but they're not going to be sustained winds. So that will certainly help with the power lines and everything like that. If a gust up to 60 miles per hour, then that's not bad. It's only when it's sustained at these speeds and it's bad. With Hurricane Sandy, we had sustained winds of 60 plus miles per hour. But right now, it's looking to be gusting at that speed. But the sustained winds are around 30 miles per hour, which is really not that bad. We've seen storms like this many times. So far, so good on this Friday night in February. So that's basically it. As the time warrants, I'll do another update. Stay safe out there.